कैसे आप बेहतर कर सकते हैं अपने इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन को. प्लीज़ डू नॉट यूज़ these drugs indiscriminately as these can also be dangerous. Improve sexual functioning in many people. दवाएं लेंगे Viagra जैसी, so it can actually cause a lot of further problems to your cardiac functioning. पुराने वक्तों में एक दवाई थी जिसको हम सलाजीत कहते थे. अब वो that is now marketed as an active ingredient. Normal misconceptions को दूर करना चाहता हूँ और आपको वो एहतियातें बताना चाहता हूँ which you need to attend to and adhere to prior to using these medication. Assalamu alaikum Nazreen, this is Professor Dr. Rahil Kareem once again at your service. This video is part of the awareness to create greater knowledge about sexual health and how it can be best dealt with in a scientific way. तो previous दो videos में तो मैंने आपसे बात की on erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. तो मैं थोड़ा सा आपको इस वीडियो में ना दवाइयों के बारे में बताऊंगा कैसे आप बेहतर कर सकते हैं अपने इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शन को. बट प्लीज़ डू नॉट यूज़ these drugs indiscriminately as these can also be dangerous. तो मैं नॉर्मल मिसकंसेप्शंस को दूर करना चाहता हूँ और आपको वो एहतियातें बताना चाहता हूँ which you need to attend to and adhere to prior to using these medication, as most often these medication are used indiscriminately, prescribed by friends who are well-meaning but nevertheless can lead to physical health problems. You know, other than making lifestyle changes जिसका मैंने पहले mention किया, like reducing weight, improving your cardiovascular health, regular exercise, improving your physical health fitness, improving your diet, improving the active ingredients in your diet like folate, ginger, turmeric, oils that I've alluded to in my previous video. आपको मैं दवाइयों के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ. So it has been a revolution since Viagra or Sildenafil, as it is the pharmacological ingredient. This has actually led to improved sexual functioning in many people. Which if they're obviously used in the right fashion. मैं आपके कुछ do's or don'ts बताऊंगा. Before you actually take Viagra, it is very important to have a cardiovascular assessment by a competent cardiologist and make sure that before you take Viagra, you should not be on nitrates or have major cardiac health problems. सो इन चीज़ों को रूल आउट करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं करेंगे और फिर आप ऐसी दवाएं लेंगे Viagra जैसी, so it can actually cause a lot of further problems to your cardiac functioning. So seek a cardiologist, a competent one, as this is not really the last sexual encounter that you want to have. 50 milligram ठीक है, but sometimes people can require 100 milligrams of Viagra. You need to take this an hour before the sexual activity. तो हमें कैसे पता लगता है कि ये दवाई अब एक्ट करना शुरू हो गई है? So it actually alters the vision in some ways, and जो आपको warm glow light है अगर बल्ब की है तो वो आपको ट्यूब लाइट की तरह लगनी शुरू होती है. So this kind of means that it has started to work. Another indicator that the drug is working is that you may start to develop headaches. ये headaches इसलिए होते हैं कि ये जो Sildenafil है या Viagra है और इसके जो similar दवाइयाँ like Tadalafil and others, they actually ये blood vessels को dilate करती हैं, यानी कि खोलती हैं, जिसकी वजह से blood flow to the penis, including to the penis, increases. And the cause of the headache is also because the blood flow to the brain increases and blood vessels dilate. This is a short-acting drug, as I've mentioned earlier, but it will not work in the absence of sexual stimulation. और sexual stimulation, मैं random sexual stimulation की बात नहीं कर रहा. You have to learn to use it in the right context with a partner or with your wife who is actually close to you and with whom you share an intimate relationship with. Otherwise, it's just you don't want this to be just a mechanical act. You want your sexual encounter to be pleasurable. So make sure that you adhere to all the things that I've mentioned and the safety precautions that you have to take. Simple as that there are other drugs as well, which are long-acting drugs, which can act around 48 hours तक वो affect करती हैं. उसमें एक है the drug known as Cialis. There's a little bit of a joke about it. In America, they say it's not Cialis, but Cialis, spelled as SEEALICE. So I hope you didn't mind this particular joke. So do ignore it if you don't like this one. So और चीज़ें भी हैं जो कि बहुत पुराने वक्तों से चलती आ रही हैं that can actually increase the testosterone levels. I again emphasize that they should not be used indiscriminately. पुराने वक्तों में एक दवाई थी जिसको हम सलाजीत कहते थे. अब वो that is now marketed as an active ingredient and it is in English called Shilajit. तो ये भी हेल्प कर सकती है और पुराने हकीम जो हैं इस पे बहुत emphasis देते हैं and there's a lot of research now that it actually helps improve the blood flow to the penis. So in short, all these things can help improve the functioning and improve the blood flow to the penis. But by far, if you relied less on these medication, then it is better, but it may certainly help to improve your confidence. And please do not take them in the long term, and do not take them more often than maybe 2 times in a week. So इसके साथ ही मैं आपसे इजाज़त चाहता हूँ. If you have liked the video, please share, please spread it, as there's a lot of ignorance about, and it will also enhance the richness of our portal and to help improve people's lives. I hope you found this useful, and till the next time, see you again. Thank you.